Me?
Hey guys, Bee Swarm Simulator Bros
What's
here.
up?
And today, look, it's a new update. It's hard for you to see now, but it's goo.
Yeah.
Oh, straight on the look.
The new adventure bear is, or traveling bear is the gummy bear.
Okay, so Matthew, hold this and film me playing.
Hey, dude. Dodge. There's the gummy bear back there.
Look what happens here. Look what happens here.
And look, I have 14 gumdrops.
And look what happens when you look. I have 10 gumdrops. And look what happens when
Wait, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it.
Okay, so look. And look, one of our quests is to get gum from
Goo.
the cloverfield. So look, now you use gumdrops and then now everything's filled up with gumdrops. Look at this.
I know, it's sick. I'm just... Oh, is that it?
Yeah.
Is that it for the goo? Okay.
Yeah, I think that's all the goo. So this update is amazing.
By the way, if you want to get some, like 5 gumdrops,
Just go behind the gummy cannon thing.
yeah, there's gummy cannon. And you could use 1 ticket for 1 gummy drop.
No, I think it's 5 gummy. It's 3 gummy drops. Let me just go check that. Actually, no, I'm gonna leave. Let me go check that.
1 second. Now a panda.
Oh, he launched his thing. Oh, Nicole.
Nicole did? God damn it. My sister, Nicole.
Okay, 1 ticket gives you 3 gummy drops. Yeah, I'm right. Yeah, come beside us. We can both be in the camera. Hold up. Yeah.
Wait.
Just don't scratch the floor too bad.
What?
Just don't scratch the floor too bad. I know.
So this will be our second video. Technically our first.
Our first actual Bee Swarm Simulator video. Because before, Matthew, come into the sights on the rose hill thing.
How much?
It's not what we want. Come into the video. Come closer. Let's make your chair turn so we can both be in. Yeah, how about I go to this? I hope the video won't be sideways.
Maybe.
Bad camera. Yeah, I hope the video isn't.
Yo, what's wrong with your character?
What do you mean?
Oh, never mind.
What do you think happened to my character?
Like you were sucked into the ground. Look. Start walking. Oh, that's just.
It's my animation.
Yeah, I know, because I'm not used to.
Having an animation.
And guys, if you guys think we're brothers, we are not.
But we're cousins. Yeah. Do we look alike?
No, but the hair mix is a whole different story.
Yeah, but like if we were both bald, we would look like.
No.
Maybe kind of.
So this update came out probably
like 10 minutes ago. I swear.
Yeah,
we literally we're just like, oh okay.
I just came
we
over
literally after our first video, like we were literally like, that was a good video. Like, you want to just play some Roblox? And it was like, sure. And then we say, wait, what? And then because when we saw the thumbnail for Bee Swarm Simulator, what? Gummies?
By the way, shout out to Alexa.
No,
Alice.
Alice.
Sorry, my bad.
Alice for getting the first comment on a video.
Yeah.
For getting a first comment on a video.
Shout out to her.
And
yeah.
everyone goes.
If you want to get a shout out, all you need to do.
Her name is Alice.
All you need to do is
like, subscribe, and get the first comment.
Okay. No, not the first comment. Or
like, what if our channel gets famous and we get like 1 million comments and we go through that?
I'll pick random.
We'll pick a random comment. But most likely the first comment, since we're not a big channel, we're not gonna have a lot of comments. Can you use a gumdrop, Matthew? Use a gumdrop.
Pimpu's right across from us.
Yeah, but we need to get it from here.
How many gumdrops?
I have 9, but you have 4.
Go check Kingdom. You might have completed it. Check it.
Completed in collection. No, I need to get the mushroom field. Oh, Matthew, stop it.
My perspective. So I play on an iPad,
and I play on a computer. I used to be an iPhone gamer, and now I'm a Mac gamer.
Yeah, after my. I think you guys could.
And Matthew, you used to be a Mac gamer, right?
No, not a
PC gamer.
Yeah, PC.
You used to be a PC gamer, and now you're a mobile gamer.
No. I am so good at this game. So if anything interesting happens, Cloverfield. Are you kidding?
Field. Oh, dude. Okay, just it's bad angle, but who cares? Well, we'll show you after. Why we're so hyped? Okay, Matthew, it's fine. Just put the camera down.
No, it's okay.
It's fine. Is it filming it? Oh my god.
Oh my god, this is
Oh my god, this is wet.
It's so hard for me to do it because
Okay, just put it down and show it.
no.
Here.
Oh my gosh. How many? Is there any more? Go. Over here, right here. Oh
my god.
I'm spamming the click button.
Click. Look, I'm spamming click.
Oh, more.
More goo. Oh my god.
I might actually complete it.
Oh my god.
I just want to try.
Really? No.
Yeah. Oh, more go.
Oh my god. Look at all this goo.
You should see this. And
Look at all this goo.
oh my gosh. And if you want us to play with you, just tell us your username.
And password.
No.
Yeah. Just kidding. Yeah, we're not gonna
Username.
We're not gonna hack you.
Damn it. Is it okay if you use it?
Look, you use one, you have a lot more than me.
Yeah. I just need that.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Well, baby.
Okay, I got it.
Harder, daddy.
I wonder if we get anything.
Yeah, we get gumdrops and tickets.
I know that. Yeah, like anything. Dude, this is for like 20.
Because I have a good camera angle. Oh, it's a good camera angle. Check. This is a good camera angle.
It's kinda. You need to put it like a.
This is better.
No, it isn't.
Here, baby.
You might be able to see it.
Yeah, so you're.
What is it? 10 hamburgers. Oh, god damn it. 2 goo from 2000. Mushroom. Let me get all this. I know, I need to go. Do I get anything? Yes, I do. Yay. Mushroom. Check out the pumpkin.
Pumpkin patch. Wow, right when I get to the mushroom.
Wait, pumpkin. Pumpkin is 50. I hope you guys can see this. Don't think you guys can. Yeah, it has to be like this.
No.
I can't move it.
Okay, so we're not gonna get much time. We'll just find a camera angle. Oh, I actually have a good idea. I'll zoom it in completely. Whoa. Okay, so yeah, I'll put it here. Dandelion field? It's not good. Okay, sorry for the bad camera view.
I'm spamming it.
Oh my god.
We freaked out a lot.
I know. But remember how we freaked out even more for the faces though. Right?
Oh,
We
yeah.
freaked out even more for the faces. Like, give me those honey tokens.
I love
Click,
this.
spam and click. Oh, no. Spam click. Okay. Back to mango. Sights off.
We're gonna put it on this side.
Oh, sorry guys for the bad angle. This is really hard to do.
You're good. No, what? No. Where's the rest of it?
More goo.
More goo.
I need to collect all the goo.
It's goo.
Oh, same thing.
I got this gloop. We're good. No, so I thought the rose field down.
Yeah, we're not gonna have to do this.
Yeah, we're not. We ain't.
So do some easy beginners parkour. Yeah. Do video me doing the easy beginners parkour. Do video.
So, thank you guys so much for watching.
No, say that after. New parkour. And I'll be so embarrassed if I fail. Super easy. Oh, because that glitched me off. Okay, whatever. I'm moving. Bye. Do this one.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching.
It's been the Bee Swarm Bros with our first official Bee Swarm video.
Yeah.
So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to get a shout out.
In the next video.
Bye.